Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel JETZONEMIX. Today we're going to explore one of the most advanced and futuristic unmanned aircraft in the world, the 2025 Sukhoi S-70 Okhotnik. This stealth combat drone represents a major leap forward in aerial warfare, bringing together cutting-edge technology, stealth design, and artificial intelligence to create a machine that operates with deadly precision and almost human-like intelligence. The Sukhoi S-70 has redefined what modern air combat can look like, and it's designed not only to fly alone but also to work alongside manned fighter jets like the Su-57, creating a new generation of air dominance for Russia. When you first look at the exterior of the Sukhoi S-70, the first thing that strikes you is its massive flying wing shape. The design is sleek, bold, and intimidating, featuring no vertical stabilizers or protrusions that could increase its radar signature. Every inch of its airframe is built for stealth. The body is made of composite radar-absorbent materials, giving it an almost invisible presence on radar. Its shape reflects radar waves away from detection systems, allowing it to approach targets without being seen. The overall layout resembles a futuristic stealth bomber but scaled down for unmanned operations. The wingspan is wide and perfectly balanced for long-distance missions, and the entire frame is optimized for smooth airflow and low drag. Even its gray matte coating has been specially designed to scatter radar signals. The Okhotnik doesn't just look stealthy, it truly is stealth in motion, designed to strike from the shadows. Inside the aircraft, the interior space is minimal, as it's an unmanned system. Instead of a cockpit, the interior houses an advanced network of processors, sensors, and communication modules. This is where the intelligence of the aircraft lives. The AI brain of the S-70 allows it to make real-time decisions, follow mission parameters, and even respond to threats without direct pilot control. The systems inside are highly encrypted, capable of autonomous flight, target identification, and communication with command centers or allied aircraft. Everything within is built for performance and precision, making the Okhotnik not just a drone, but an intelligent weapons system capable of thinking and adapting during battle. In terms of performance, the Sukhoi S-70 stands out as a true powerhouse. It can reach speeds close to 1,000 km per hour and can operate at altitudes above 12,000 meters. Its operational range is incredibly long, reportedly over 6,000 kilometers, allowing it to carry out deep strike missions far from its base. The drone's payload capacity is around 6 tons, carried internally to maintain its stealth profile. It can be equipped with a wide range of advanced munitions, including guided bombs, air-to-surface missiles, and possibly air-to-air weapons for defensive or offensive missions. The integration with the Su-57 fighter jet gives it an enormous tactical advantage. The S-70 can act as a scout, a bomber, or a support wingman, sharing real-time data and extending the Su-57's reach. Together, they form a manned-unmanned team capable of dominating both offensive and defensive air operations. Its flight control systems are extremely advanced, allowing it to perform sharp turns and tactical maneuvers that are difficult for most conventional drones. With AI-assisted controls and next-gen sensors, it can perform missions that previously required multiple aircraft, now completed by one silent, intelligent drone. The Sukhoi S-70 also shines when it comes to safety and reliability. It's built to survive in the harshest and most hostile conditions. Its autonomous navigation systems allow it to reroute or return to base if it loses communication with the control center. It's equipped with electronic warfare countermeasures that can jam enemy radar or evade incoming missiles. The stealth design itself is a defense mechanism, reducing the chances of being detected in the first place. The onboard systems constantly monitor flight health, making real-time adjustments to maintain balance and prevent system failures. In addition, the AI algorithms can make instant life or death decisions, for example, prioritizing evasion over attack if it detects an imminent threat. The entire structure is designed to resist damage from small arms or shrapnel, ensuring mission completion even under attack. These systems combined make the Okhotnik not just powerful but extremely resilient in real-world combat environments. What sets the Sukhoi S-70 apart are its unique selling points. It's not only a drone but also a revolutionary piece of autonomous technology designed to cooperate with human pilots. Its integration with the Su-57 fighter creates a loyal wingman concept, where the drone can fly ahead to identify threats, jam radar, or strike targets while keeping the human pilot safe. Its large size allows it to carry heavy weapons, making it capable of both reconnaissance and direct combat. The AI-driven autonomy is another breakthrough. enabling it to analyze combat data, recognize threats, and act without needing human commands. This ability makes it far more than just a remotely piloted aircraft, it's an independent strike asset. Additionally, its radar evading abilities and stealth features rival those of top Western drones like the American B-21 Raider and RQ-180, giving it a competitive edge on the global stage. The S-70's versatility, from long-range strikes to electronic warfare, makes it one of the most capable and unpredictable aircraft of its kind. In terms of cost, the 2025 Sukhoi S-70 Okhotnik is expected to be priced between $30 and $40 million per unit, depending on the configuration. That price may sound high for a drone, but when you consider that it brings stealth, autonomy, and heavy weapon capability at a fraction of the cost of a manned stealth fighter, it becomes clear why it's worth it. The lower risk of losing a pilot and the ability to perform high-risk missions make it a strategic investment for any modern air force. In conclusion, the 2025 Sukhoi S-70 Okhotnik is not just a drone, it's the future of aerial warfare. With its sleek stealth design, intelligent control systems, and remarkable performance, it marks a new era in combat aviation. It represents a shift toward smarter, faster, and more autonomous warfare where machines can think and act with precision. The S-70 is a true symbol of next-generation power, blending stealth, AI, and strategy into one incredible machine. It shows how far unmanned technology has come, and where it's headed next. The skies of the future will be ruled not just by pilots but by intelligent machines like the Okhotnik, flying silently and striking with unmatched precision. Thank you for watching JETZONEMIX, and stay tuned for more deep dives into the most powerful and advanced aircraft from around the world.